Morning and welcome back to our channel. I hope you enjoyed the last vlog that we just put up. We really enjoyed filming it. So we have a meeting this morning with a company called Visualsoft. Visualsoft are based in Stockton and they specialise in web developing and growing online businesses. So we're gonna go and have a meeting with them. We've had a few issues trying to install this tap to shop. I don't know why, but I think they're gonna sort of point us in the right direction of how we need to get that all up and running, and hopefully just discuss a few ideas as to how we can just expand and grow really, which is exciting. I'll show you my outfit today because I'm wearing some of our products. Today I've got on the ALEXANDRA knit. It's got sort of like a shirt underneath it. It's not detachable, it comes as a one piece, but yeah, it's really comfortable and it's just nice for this time of year. I paired it with the BROGAN jeans, the high-waisted snake print. Me and Ali absolutely love anything that is snake print, animal print, and I've got some ZARA mules on. So yeah, that's my outfit today, and I'm going to be wearing this carry bag. This is one of our new pieces as well. You can wear it over your shoulder or you can just carry it. It's like a mauvey creamy sort of colour. It's got a nice gold detail on it there as well. Yeah, so I need to head to meet Nat now because I'm probably going to be late and she'll go mad. So yeah, we'll go meet her and then we'll keep you posted on the day. So we've just finished our meeting with Visualsoft and it was really motivating, so we're really excited to hopefully start working with them. We went in today to speak to them about our tap to shop. We were having a few problems with it, so they're going to help us out with that, but we also spoke to them about some kind of details on our website with advertising. So at the minute run our website through WordPress, so they've kind of showed us how we would maybe move on to an e-commerce site, but that's maybe in the future, but they're going to help us with some advertising at the moment in maybe once we work out the tap to shop. So it was really motivating to speak to them. Their offices are amazing. They've got around 300 people working for them and it's based in Stockton, and it's beautiful. The inside's beautiful. It's got a bar inside, it's got like a cafe and a really nice kitchen and like a football table that they can, it's just really, I think they're really about the staff and then about the customers as well. They've got like amazing conference rooms. He also told us about a girl called Reese who runs Women in Collaboration, that she's doing something there in February, so I think I'm gonna maybe try and get some tickets for that and finally go to one of her events because we haven't been yet. So yeah, really motivating morning. We're just on our way back to the office now, and then we'll just kind of divulge all that information, and then maybe make some plans to work with them. So yeah, all sounds good. So we'll see you back at the office. My hair up there. We just got back to the studio. It's raining outside now, so hair's an absolute mess. We've been for dinner at Craig's and we've just got back and we're going to sort out the stock that needs to go into the showroom. I don't think we've actually showed you the showroom yet, so we'll give you a little bit of a tour in there, but because we're getting everywhere painted outside, we've had to take everything out and then we're going to put everything back in of all our new stock. We've changed over any of like the sales stuff we've took out, and we've also taken out all the last chance to buy stuff, and that's all packed up ready to go if anyone buys that online for our last chance to buy section. So I'm going to give you a little bit of a tour around around there, maybe set you up and let you see us merchandise the showroom. And yeah, we're just going to do that this afternoon really. We need to get some content for Instagram and Facebook, so we're maybe going to get on with some of that, and we're also open tomorrow as well, so we're going to maybe do some pictures and things tomorrow. We really want to get into like the whole IGTV thing, but we just need to put aside the time, so hopefully we get a little bit of time to do that tomorrow. But I'm just going to show you now our rail of sizes that we're going to keep out, because these are just one of kind of everything that's new, apart from a few sizes there. I've just had a few customers in that have been trying on some pieces, so I've brought out a few of the sizes for them. And then this is our merchandise, so this is our sports pieces, so we just need to maybe pack some of these away for online, and then just keep a small selection out. So we're just in the middle of changing all this over. We need to change our mannequins over, and just merchandise the full room, really get ready for autumn, winter. For those of you who haven't seen our showroom before, this is it. We've had a bit of a change round. This is all our autumn winter stock that's going to be available online, but this is like a glorified changing room, stock room if you like. We just merchandise some of the pieces that we have online, so for people who come and collect their orders, they can shop everything that's online in store as well. So this is kind of our autumn winter first drop. Kind of the colours are very autumnal with the oranges and the browns and the golds, so it's just nice to see it all on a rail, merchandised up really. And then you can kind of see which pieces you want to put together. So we've put like the leather trousers on, and then this is the TYRA shirt, just because you can kind of mix and match a lot of the pieces, like pair this blouse with the patent jacket. So that's that side. And then we've got, this is more of like the sage kind of ice colours. These are all the pieces that we've got online, shoppable in store on here. And that kind of goes to like more of like a pinky nude rail on there. And then we've just got the saddle bag and the double crossbody bag up there. And then this is more of like the mauve-y kind of tones. And then lastly we just have our gym wear and our merchandise. We've just put this other rail in here because this is our rail that we use to shoot a lot of our stock on, but we're just running out of space really, just running out of rail. If you want everything hung, which is what we usually like to have everything, there's just not enough space in this room. It is only like a small room, so that's kind of everything. So one fitting room, we've turned this fitting room into like a little bit more of a shoppable area at the minute. Okay, so we've just finished up in the showroom, and we've just merchandised all our new stock and put it in to the room, because we had all of our old stock in. So we've taken everything off that's on the last chance to buy or in the sale, packed them away, in case they get bought on the website, and then merchandised all of the new stock, so we'll show you around and you can see all that as well.
We like it when we revamp it all up, don't we? Because it's just,
we actually think the room's not as bad.
Yeah, it actually looks good when we do it. So
we just need to take a bit more pride in this room and not let it get a mess. As this vlog goes on, you'll probably see that we are actually quite messy. Yeah. So we'll show you around and like show you what we've done and what we've pieced together. And then it's Friday, we're going home, it's pouring down outside,
it's a bit
so
I'm
going to get my hair done, so I'm going to have a nice new wig.
I'm just chilling with the girls, and then we're working tomorrow in the showroom. So yeah, we decided to open 10 till 2, and we're just going to allow some of our local customers to come in because they like to come browse the collection and just see it like in the flesh.
A lot of people are able to select, collect in store, so we need to open on a weekend a little bit more, we think, so that allows for them people to come in and then pick up the collections and then maybe purchase a few more pieces that they've seen online. We're not really allowing for that like in-store experience that much because we're not opening very many weekends because we've had a bit too much of a good summer, haven't we?
Yeah.
So, but you know, really, you've got to enjoy yourself. So we're just gonna open up tomorrow 10 till 2, and then we're going to IKEA on Sunday. We're gonna get a few bits for the office. We might be getting new chairs. I think I showed you the chairs on the last vlog. Maybe I'll look out for an office desk and stuff to get some bits for in there.
And some new plants as well. We love plants, but last time we decided to spend loads of money on plants
for this room. We had all the plants like on these shelves here. Spent a fortune on plants. I was like, only if we get these plants, we've got to look after them. I think we shut the door on this room for about 2 weeks. Next time we came in, it was like hell. There was like the only things that survived were like the cactuses.
Yeah, we've still got one cactus. I don't know if you can see, but
one cactus and one palm tree.
Yeah, we've got a cactus there
that's alive. It doesn't take much water, and I think it's been watered about once. Yeah, so maybe some plants. We're not going to end it today because we haven't probably done as much in like the studio today as we probably wanted. So I don't know. We're not going to end it today. We're just going to see where it takes us. So that's kind of it. So we'll just show you through our weekend as we go through it. Well, happy Friday, everyone.
Happy Friday.
I was so hungry, so I've just been to this Polish little supermarket and bought these little pretzel sticks. They'd be nice dipped in Nutella, like a sweet and salty thing. I'm always thinking. We're going for some like copper feels, so hopefully it's gonna be nice. Good morning. I thought I'd quickly just catch up. I didn't film last night when I got in because it was mainly more just like telling you about my hair, and it was too dark to probably show you any changes, but I'm showing you this because Catherine from Catnip, we had a bit of a chat with her yesterday about the whole like our first vlog and stuff like that, and like what she thought, and because like she's helped us along. She'd said, oh, you didn't show us you getting your eyebrows done. I was really interested. I wanted to see that as part of the vlog. So I said, well, I'm going to get my hair done today. So she said, well, take us with you. So I tried to film as much as I could when I was there without being embarrassed of getting the camera out. But anyway, this is my hair now. I've obviously just woke up, so I will just change the bed and then just woke up. It's got like a bit more of a copper tone. I really wanted to get more of a copper tone just because of all, like I feel like I've been staring at these like coppers and rusty oranges and stuff, so I thought while it's a little bit lighter I'd be able to take advantage of like it being able to take quite well. So I'm just going to maybe do this for maybe 1 or 2 goes like over autumn winter, and then just go back to like my usual getting brown done. But yeah, it feels really nice. So this is from CAIN. I got this done at CAIN FELLOW in Stockton. So if anyone's local, they are an amazing hairdresser. The blow dries are amazing, and I've got really frizzy thick hair, so that's why I love the blow dries from there. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready for work now. We're in work 10 till 2 today, and it's 9:30, so I better hurry up. So I'm not really sure where we last left you, but we've just done the Saturday shift in the showroom. We've had a really good day. It's been really busy, so that's been really good. We've had lots of people being able to collect and stuff, so because we offer local collection, a lot of people can only really collect on Saturdays, so it was nice to be able to offer that. We can't always offer that every weekend because we sometimes have got other plans and other things going on. So I've just got the TYRA blouse on now, and the KRISTY boots, just some like Levi wedgie fit jeans. So we're going to go to Rose and Potter now. We're going to take you with us. We're going to meet some of our friends, a few of the girls who live in Newcastle are up, and I'm going to go for, I think they're going to have coffees. I might have a couple of drinks because it's Saturday and I'm going out tonight. So yeah, meet them. This is my hair, whether you can see it in a little bit more of a light, but I've been playing with it like that. It's got a little bit frizzy now. So yeah, so we'll go see Danielle and then we'll get going and close up till Monday. So are we going?
Yeah, I think we're gonna go now.
Right, we've got Rose and Potter, but you're hungover, aren't you? So yeah, you're gonna do coffee, I'm gonna do wine.
Are you?
Yeah.
Ooh.
So right then, that's a wrap. Peace out. Just finished work and we just parked up at a car park near us in Marske, and we are going to Rose and Potter. We're just going to meet some of the girls. Actually, it's been a bit of a spontaneous one. We're all going to meet for coffee or a cocktail or something. So just gonna go there and meet Sarah, Jane and Charlotte with Danielle. So we're gonna take you with us. Rose and Potter, if you are local and you haven't been, it's a really nice place to go. So I haven't had a coffee yet. I've only had like the wine. The wine's nice, but apparently the coffee is really nice as well. But the deli platters are amazing. So yeah, check it out if you're local. Danielle's I can see Danielle looking at me. Let me show you this. Oops. I did check around. Is anyone looking at me? How do I zoom in? Oh, I don't know how to zoom in. I think she's saying hurry up. Anyway, she's hungover. I best go. So
guys, I just wanted to end the vlog here. Nat can't be with me today. She's on with social media and photography, so I just thought I'd film this ending by myself. We had a great week. We want to apologise because it's been a couple of weeks now since we did upload. We wanted to upload weekly, but things have just got really busy and we're not used to the whole vlogging thing yet, so we're getting there though. We ended up going to IKEA on the Sunday, but we didn't get any chairs or a desk. So yeah, we couldn't fit it in the car. We looked at a few, but we aren't treating ourselves just yet. But we will keep you updated if we make any changes to our studio. Yeah, we managed to get the Tap to Shop installed on our website and our Instagram, so that's all up and running now. It makes it so much easier to shop the look, and from our side as well, it makes it a lot easier to find the products, because it's quite time consuming to add the products to your Instagram story, because you'd have to constantly go back into the website and find the product, whereas now we literally just type in the product in Instagram and it comes up as a tagged product. So yeah, that's a lot easier. What else? Our next vlog will be the London vlog, our trip to London. We went with our cousins, so it's a bit more leisure than business. I'm actually just on with editing that one now, and that will be uploaded next week. We just want to keep you updated with our personal lives and our business lives as well. It all kind of links together, so yeah, we're excited about that. I'll end the vlog there. Just want to say thanks for listening, and if you haven't subscribed already, click the subscribe button and you can follow us on our journey. Bye!